So back in like August, September, I moved in. Hello, Cleo. Hello, baby. I moved into this apartment and it's in a different part of town. It's not near university at all. And I think you guys have like seen glimpses of my apartment. I live with two girls, Mary and Caitlin. They're two of my best friends and we have a lot of fun here. My bedroom is right over there. So we have like a little upstairs like living room, a loft type of thing. So it basically just looks over the rest of my apartment, if that makes sense. But yeah, so we have this upstairs loft area, and you guys, it is an absolute disaster. We never did anything with it because we didn't like get any furniture. We're kind of like busy with school and stuff. We also moved here from a place that was already furnished, and that's like a whole other story. We got evicted from our old apartment because of like mold, you guys. It was so sketchy. If you want to see a story time, comment below. But because of that, we had no furniture because we had been living in a furnished place. So yeah, I have like this little nook here, and I kind of always imagined having a little office area right here. I just think it's really cozy. And in a lot of my recent videos, I've been like putting my camera right here and talking to you guys. So that would just be like really cute if I could kind of make a little like video setup slash office area for myself. But yeah, so I went to IKEA and I literally just picked up this white tabletop, and you guys, guess how much this was? It was $8.99. So obviously like it's not gonna be the best quality, but I'm gonna get a piece of glass and put it on top, I think. And then of course you have to get legs to go along with it. So I got 4 of these little beige ones. So here is the desk area. As I told you guys, I got this desk for dirt cheap from IKEA, and I would give this an absolute A+. If you're gonna get it, I would totally suggest getting different colored legs because I think it makes it look a little bit less cheap. I feel like the white legs would have maybe made it look pretty cheap, but I feel like the tan legs, like it's kind of a cute vibe. So anyways, obviously this stuff will probably just change over time, but this is what I have on it right now. I just have like my iPad and a little mini binder that I just like to jot ideas down in, and then I have this tray that I'm just keeping a roll of tape, some washi tape, and then like pens and some scissors and rubber bands, just like convenient stuff on here. This desk doesn't have any kind of drawer, so I just want to keep like some go-to stuff on this tray. I also just have a candle, my computer obviously, and then a little plant, and this is a little wax burner. And then I also just had this little lamp laying around, and I was like, oh, that would be so cute to add on top of the desk because there is a lot of good natural lighting up here during the day, but at night I don't have any kind of like overhead light other than this, and this is actually really dull. So this is really nice for at nighttime if I want to get some work done. And as I showed you guys, I had this really old chair. The person that used to live here left a bunch of stuff in the garage for us. So we just had like this old white chair that, as you can see, like the paint is all chipped. So what I decided to do was just take this chair and then I put this really soft blanket on top. So that's really nice and comfortable for me to sit on. And then I just added this pillow. I originally had the pink heart pillow, but I kind of wanted just like to keep that for my bed. So I added this one instead. I got this one from Society 6 a couple years ago. But as I was saying about the whole wall art thing, I have 2 canvases that are like prints of these leaves. And so I thought that would be really cute to kind of tie that theme in like right here with the pillow. Give me your opinions or advice down in the comments. I would really appreciate it. But anyways, over here I have my YouTube play button that, once again, I want to put it somewhere in here. I just don't know where, and I don't want to rush it just for the sake of this video. So that's going to hang out down there until I figure out where it's going. And then I had this 3 cube thing laying around, but if you don't already have one, you can get it from, I know Walmart's is a little bit cheaper than Target, but either store it's not more than like $30. So starting down here, I just put a little file organizer that I've been keeping like some of my school binders in, and then I also just have a box with some craft stuff. On the second shelf, I have that memory box I showed you guys in a video a while back, my Polaroid camera, and then just a little folder thing that I like to keep little knickknacks in. And then here, the top shelf, I just have one of the little cubby drawers, and inside here, I just have like some stationery, some of these like little colorful paper things from Target, my stapler, some batteries, some like a hole puncher thingy. So just a variety of stuff that I know I'm going to reach for on a regular basis. And that's another thing that I kind of envisioned about this corner. I love like crafts and DIY, as you guys know. So I've been needing like a place to kind of consolidate a bunch of that stuff that I have like left over from videos. So I'm sure as time goes on, I'll add more cubbies, but I did a huge clean out of like my big old craft box, and I'm kind of just trying to start fresh. So from now on, I'll probably end up keeping like a lot of my craft things over here opposed to like on the shelf in my closet, because that's just like wasting closet space, I feel like. And then on top, I have this little elephant hook, which I definitely want to put somewhere near the play button. I want to tie the two silvers in together, but for now it's just kind of chilling right here. And then I just have a little cactus and a little pink mug that I just keep my GoPro inside. And then here I just have this little wall art sitting on top. It says, live your life with intention, live the life you've always dreamed of, the life you have always imagined living. And I absolutely love this. What's crazy is for years now, I have been like envisioning a corner like this. Like I've always wanted a cute little study or like work corner, and just, I don't know, this kind of reminds me that like if you put your mind to something, it's a little off-centered. If you put your mind to something, like you can definitely achieve it. So I always think it's good just to have like inspirational things like that hanging out. And then over here, you guys, first of all, I'm bummed because the weather today is crap. So I don't have like much good lighting coming in here. And then second, I had like this whole string of lights. As you guys saw, they were like all lit up and it looked so pretty. Literally 5 minutes ago, they broke. Like they just completely died and like flickered off. But that's okay, they're really cheap, so I'll just go grab a new set. But yeah, I have this little clothes hanger I got from IKEA a while back. And there was never really a good place in my bedroom for it. But over here, I just think this looks really cute with like both of these. They kind of balance each other out. And then I also just have some purses, hats, and sunglasses hanging out. I thought this would be kind of like a cute little inspirational place I can just switch up depending on the season. And then down here, I showed you guys I just put a little basket, and I kind of just wanted to have a little place that I could keep products that I'm currently like testing out for companies, or just kind of like random little knick-knack thingies. And then next to it, I just have a tripod. So that is basically it. I'll go ahead and back up just so I can give you guys like a full overview. But yeah, that pretty much sums up this video. This is my new little office tour. Once again, please give me advice as to what I should do with this space as well as this space. I feel like there shouldn't really be anything up here because I already have so much going on over here. And then also there's this wall too. So I don't know, I have a lot of options. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you're not already, and subscribe for more videos if you're not already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Time to